How to hide TikTok posts or TikTok videos. So if you already published a video on your TikTok profile page and now you want to hide it from a group of friends or you want to make it visible to you alone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide TikTok video, post or update, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app. You can do this on your Android phone and you can do this on your iPhone. Once you open the TikTok application, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, locate the menu icon at top left and click on it. Once you click on that, click on Settings and Privacy. After Settings and Privacy, you want to scroll down to get to Content and Display, then scroll down on it. Here, locate Activity Center and click on that. Now, once you click on Activity Center, scroll down. Locate Manage Post Visibility and then click on it. Once you click on Manage Post Visibility, hang on for the page to load. And here you can hide post for everyone from your friends or make the post only visible to you. Now, let's say you want to hide any TikTok videos here. Just go ahead, check the TikTok video just like this. Then select who you want to hide the video from. Let's say you want to hide the video from everyone, just switch to everyone. I want to hide it from your friends, just use your friend. You want to make it visible to only you, just choose only you. Now, once you selected the video you want to hide, like 2, then go ahead and click on next. Then here you see update selected post. You want to hide it from everyone, followers, only you. So just select it and then click on update. Once you selected the video and click on update, this video will be hidden and its visibility will be taken down or will be managed properly by you, just like this. Next, everyone, update. Then you see visibility update to everyone for one post. So if you come to friends or everyone, only you, all, then you can repeat this on all your videos. Click on it again, click on next, then make it everyone, update, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to hide videos on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.